just say, Alexa, play WJMM.
I'm Heather Clary with your better.
Southeastern Marion County in central Kentucky, northern Russell County in south central Kentucky, northeastern Taylor County in central Kentucky, Boyle County in central Kentucky, Casey County in central Kentucky, eastern Adair County in south central Kentucky, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
County in central Kentucky, eastern Adair County in south central Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm
Extending from 11 to 6 miles southeast of Columbia, moving at 25 miles per hour.
Southeastern Marion hazard includes 50 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Warning for northwestern Marion County in central Kentucky until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Doppler radar indicates a thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Woodland area.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement agency when you can do so safely and have them relay your report to the National Weather Service.
At least I didn't miss an alert, because...
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lincoln County in central Kentucky.
Look, I missed the flash flood warning when I was here, not that long ago.
Southeastern Marion County in central
when I wasn't here, excuse me.
Northern Russell County in